Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I will be teaching you on how to download songs on Spotify. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to open your Spotify application on your device. And then tap on the songs or search for the song that you wanted to download. Okay, since I wanted to download the song Little Mix, so just tap on it and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on add to playlist. Okay. And then you can create a new playlist. Just tap on this one. Okay. And then just make a title for your new playlist. Okay. So here I'm going just to name it a downloaded music. And then once you have done that, your song will automatically go to your playlist and then tap on library and then tap on your new playlist, which is a downloaded music. And then you can also tap to download the music, just tap on this arrow facing downward where with a circle around it and also the three dots. So you just click on download after that, okay? And then the music or the song will automatically be downloaded to your device. You can play it even if you're not online or you're not using your cellular data. Okay, so that's how you download songs on Spotify. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.